Clerk, hi, can I help you? Customer, I hope so. I bought this dress a week ago and would like to return it. Clerk, okay, was it the wrong size or color? Customer, I just didn't like it when I tried it on at home. Your return policy says that I can return a dress in good condition up to 10 days after buying it. Clerk, yes, that's right. The dress looks in good condition. Would you like an exchange? We have many other dresses in stock. Customer, no thanks. I would like to have a refund, please. Clerk, okay, may I see the receipt, please? Customer, sure, here it is. Clerk, you paid with a credit card? Could I see your credit card, please? Customer, sure, here it is. Clerk, I will credit your MasterCard account for the full amount. Could you please sign this receipt for the return? Customer, sure. Clerk, thanks. I hope that we will see you again soon. Customer, thank you for your help. Have a good day. Visit the ESL Directions website for more online lesson plans and other resources for your class of ESL beginners.